parang first time ko dito sa SM City Baguio. Maraming
Let's all welcome Mr. Donnie Pangilinan.
After someone has gone through abuse, when they are rescued, that does not mean that they are set already and the journey stops there. That's actually day one. And we've seen that through and through. It really takes a lot for someone to get healed. It really takes a lot for someone to go through therapy. Minsan ayaw nila eh. Minsan parang na-feel nila na may shame. Na-feel nila na natatakot sila kasi hindi sila komportable sa ganung sitwasyon. Pero kaya nandito rin kami, kaya nandito yung Global Rescue. So that we give people, a voice, even if sometimes they don't know that they need one. How do I protect mental health? I think you have to know when to recharge, take a break. Kasi yung mga ginagawa kasi namin, well, I'm sure you guys can minsan tuloy-tuloy, di ba? Day after day, sleepless nights. And you kind of get so sucked into that routine that you forget that sometimes you also need to take a breather. So, another very important thing for me is to get a good, close group of people who will guide you and will be there for you. And those who will help you get back to, what life who you really are. They'll remind you who you really are. And they will understand you even when you won't understand yourself.